subscribers and guests of the channel. I hope you are all fantastic. I often hear from my clients telling me, Irina, keto is difficult, I don't know what to cook. So actually we don't cook something unusual. We use the same products, the same food we use for our families, or we were always using it before. The only difference that normal food will be cooked on real fats. So now I have here, it is real ghee made from a real cow milk, from real butter, which I buy in the farm, from the farm in Mocha, and I have already made a video about them, and it is a real product. So you may, instead of this, you may use real butter, or you may use any other real proper kind of fat or oil which is suitable for you. You know, you can Google what is the keto fats, what is keto suitable fats. So ghee, one of the healthiest thing in the planet. So today, what I will be doing today, I will be showing you how I will make a keto burger. We always want to eat something resembling the food we have been always eating before. So on keto, as we can't eat burger, we are thinking, oh, where is my burger? I'm missing it. So if you will eat something which will resemble it, and it will be yummy as well, so you're not missing out anything. So what I did, I saw such a huge big mushrooms in the shop recently, and I bought it, and I had an idea what I'm going to do with these mushrooms, because they resemble by itself, they resemble like a burger. So I decided to make a keto burger out of mushrooms. And as you seen from beginning of the video, I received this induction cooker prestige from one very dear person in my life, and now this cooker will be helping me to create more cooking videos for you, and all of them will be keto recipes, so we will have lots of video about keto cooking. So okay, so you need to have a special kind of frying pan for it, and as I told you, we are using real ghee. You can immediately understand it's real because it smells so yummy. So we will put some amount, how much we want. We can put later more. And we need to switch it on something called maybe deep fry. Wow, it's working. And now what we will do with this, we will need to remove this inner part, so it will be frying properly. So this is normal mushroom, which usually all of us would buy, and we would cut it and just make a curry out of it. But now I will be using this mushroom to make out of it burger. It's an excellent idea. You will see what we can put inside. So first of all, we are frying it. So we will need to fry this mushroom from both sides, and we can fry it till it's really cooked. And to make it happen more faster, we can cover it with lid. After some time, we can check and see, is it fried well on one side. We can turn it, and then after some time let it fry on one side, and then we can change it and put it to fry on another side. So after some time, when we see, we can see that, oh, one side really fried so well, and it is so brown and a little bit crispy. Need to make sure that both sides are cooked properly, and you can touch and see if it's soft, if it's all cooked through, it's ready to use. So here we are, darlings, with preparation of our keto burger. So this is mushroom which we just fried. We have 2 mushrooms like that. Now we will try to make nice burgers with this mushroom. First of all, I want to show you how I measure everything. So before start eating, everything I measure. So let me show everything in front of camera. So let's say, first of all, we are measuring how many grams mushroom we will have. So we are taking our scale. This is just a plate on the top of it. I'm putting it on. You can see it's showing 0 grams. Then I take 2 of my mushrooms and I measure. Okay, it is 81 gram of mushroom. Now I will file those 81 gram of mushroom. I will file it in my mobile, in my application for counting carbs, for food tracker application. So look at this, I just filed it in my food tracker application. So 81 gram of mushroom is giving me what? It's giving me 2.66 gram of carbs and 0.28 gram of fats and then 2.5 gram of proteins. Very good. Save. Yeah, save. Perfect. Now I want to apply another ingredient on this burger. So again, I'm placing burger here. I'm placing mushroom here, then I'm making it to be on 0. Now I want to apply this Philadelphia original cream cheese on this. For me to measure how much I will have, I took mushroom out of the scale. The scale is showing now minus. Now I am applying my Philadelphia cheese on this mushroom nicely. And now I will put it here to check how much of Philadelphia I use. You see it's showing 21 gram of Philadelphia I used just now. So now I file in my application, food tracker application, I file Philadelphia cream cheese original. We are not having it light, we are having it original. So you can see 21 gram. How much it will give me? It will give me only 0.98 grams of carb. It will give me fats, 4.27 gram of fat and 1.14 gram of protein. Perfect. So we are telling save. Now we want to put some more ingredients. Let's say we want to put some green peas. So again, for me to measure how many green peas I'm going to put. I already put it 0. It's showing completely 0. So I'm adding some green peas to this, to our burger. It's showing we add 8 green peas in all. Fantastic. 8 green peas. No, 8 gram of green peas. We add into our burger. So same thing I'm doing with green peas. Just see, only 8 gram of green peas, it's already giving me 1.16 gram of carbs. So just imagine, it is such an innocent green peas, they're already giving us some carbs, but we are taking a very little of it, so there is no problem. Now I decide to put some more ingredients. This is my favorite sunflower seeds. And I'm thinking, okay, let me add this also. And we already put it on 0. Our scale is showing it on 0. I'm just adding it. And let's see how many. Okay, it is 4 grams of carbs. 4 grams of sunflower seeds. No, 5 grams of sunflower seeds. And now I decided in this cute burger, keto burger, I want to have 1 slice of tomato. So again, I'm putting everything on 0 and I'm adding 1 tomato. And these tomatoes having 16 grams. So now we will file it in our application and see 16 grams of tomato, how much carbs it will give me. So let's see what happened. Red tomato, 16 grams is giving us 0.63 grams of carbs. Okay, so this was very small piece. Otherwise, tomato is quite high in carbs. So if you're having just 1 slice of tomato like that, that's okay, that's no problem. And now for our burger, we want to try to add some lettuce leaves. So we are switching it on to see how many grams. So we are applying 1. Oh, it's only 1 gram. We can put 1 more. Wow. 4 grams of lettuce we have added to our keto burger. So again, I'm going to file it because nothing is innocent. Even these 4 grams of lettuce can give you some carbs. Okay, so that is really small amount of lettuce. So 4 grams of lettuce is giving you very little carbs. So that's good. Otherwise, if you put cup of lettuce, that will be too much. And now the last thing we need to do with our burger, on the top with another fried mushrooms, and that's it. We got one very beautiful keto burger, so yummy and looking really delicious. And that is a burger which you can hold like this and eat. Wow, no one will realize what you are eating. It's just like a very stylish, super yummy, super tasty burger. So here our keto burger. You can see how it looks yummy and attractive, and it is suitable for vegetarian, and it's having only healthy ingredients inside. So bon appetit!